Every day, people throw away food that they don't want to eat or are too full to eat. But do you ever stop to think about what happens to this food after it goes from your plate to your garbage can? Is this the end? Do you know where your food actually goes?
Garbage disposal to the trash.
Aliens might take it to Mars.
In 2010, 33 million tons of food was wasted in the United States, enough to fill the Empire State Building 91 times. According to the EPA, these 33 million tons of food end up in landfills each year, creating a serious environmental concern. So what can we, as changemakers, do to help solve this problem?
We want to change the way Americans think about food and waste and change the culture, starting with children, so that it values disposing food in the proper way that doesn't cause harm to the environment.
We propose a new USD club called Food Thrifters, in which student volunteers reach out to local middle schools and develop compost programs and have a conversation about food waste. The club will have 3 main goals.
Implement the compost system in middle school cafeterias.
Establish an after-school program for kids to compost their lunch waste in their new compost garden.
To collaborate with school administration in order to organize school-wide discussions related to the issue of food waste, and to propose certain projects such as art projects using wasted food or cooking classes using food from the compost garden.
The Taiwanese model for disposing food waste indicates that this change in culture is possible. Taiwan has a non-wasteful culture rooted in its society that is achieved in part through education. School children receive environmentally themed lessons as a part of curriculum from K through 12.
By emulating Taiwan's educational program, we can change the culture in American schools,
So that kids will think about what they're throwing away and the larger effects of their actions. We hope that the success of this program will encourage the spread of food thrifters nationally.
throughout all school levels.
Eventually, the norm will be to think before you throw.